biggest problems with dentistry are a fear of walking in the door, fear of because they're going to hurt, fear because they're going to be judged and how they look, and then the fear of what it's going to cost. We help people with the smallest concerns all the way to the most complex needs of replacing their teeth completely. And we take pride in every time we get to help somebody. So no concern is too small, and we certainly don't judge anybody when they walk in the door. We see an opportunity to treat somebody like we would want to be treated. The values of Blank Dental Group really are about treating the person right, doing what's right for people, knowing that if you're the person in their shoes, that you got the right experience, the right treatment.
I really want to thank Dr. Blank and everyone here at his office. They've been incredible to work with. I'm incredibly grateful for everything that they've done, the smile that they've given me, the kindnesses that they've shown me. It's been life-changing.
We want to just be getting better and better for our customers, and that's the mission of Blank Dental Group.
Everybody here at Blank Dental Group is just awesome. They are so friendly, and it's just like coming home.
I mean, it's not like, Walmart greeter kind of friendly, they're just going through the motions. These are a nice group of people. I don't know what he does, how he trains them, but everybody's not only very capable, but they're very nice. It's a pleasant experience to go to the dentist.
We don't want anyone to feel like a number. We want everyone to feel like they're being treated specifically for them. And so in our culture, we want to have friendly people. We want to have people that want to work here. We want to have people that want to work together, because we have to do this as a team. These are wonderful people that are taking care of you, and the culture will reflect that.
There's an old adage that, there's only two grades of anything. There's the best and there's everything else. I'm confident that Dr. Blank, in my world, is the best there is at what he does.
Blank Dental Group is located in multiple communities, multiple areas throughout Central Ohio primarily, and that is so more people can have access if they want to have the experience that we can offer them. We want you to be proud of what we're able to give you, and hopefully it will impact your life.